Sometimes, yung sound nila parang horn ng malaking kotse. Ano bang sound ng malaking kotse? Ano bang sound ng horn ng malaking kotse? Who can tell me? How about from this side? Who can tell me what's the sound of the horn of a car? Who can tell me? Yung busina ng car. Busina ng car. Who can tell me? You. Louder. I need someone louder. I need someone to imitate the sound of a Rufus Hornbill. That guy. The Philippine eagle is what? Because the Philippine eagle is the largest eagle here in the Philippines. Ito yung pinakamalaking agila dito sa Pilipinas at second largest eagle in the whole world. Okay, it's an apex predator. It's at the top of the food chain, guys. Sadly, it's epic is a big eagle. Okay, the tamaraw we can only find these guys where? Who can tell me where? Here in the Philippines, but where exactly? Mindoro. This is also an endangered species in their body. Okay, there are two kinds of snakes. There are a non-poisonous snake and there are poisonous snakes. Cobras are poisonous snakes, so be careful of them. But what do we do if we see a snake inside our house? What do we do? What do we do? We're all sleepy. No! Well, the first animal that I will have to show you, this is an animal. This is a turtle, okay? This is actually called a Malayan box. A Malayan box turtle. I'll go around and show you guys. This, a 4-year-old turtle. There's a box turtle. A box turtle, we can find these guys here in our country, the Philippines. When it's about 10 to 15 years old, this box turtle can grow up to this big. Oh, do you see the difference, guys? This is a 4-year-old turtle. This is about 12 years old. Who's 12 years old here? Who's 12 years old here? Kuya Andrew's 4 years old. Kuya Robert's 12 years old. It's called a box turtle because at the bottom of its shell, if we turn him upside down, it can close itself inside its shell. Why does a turtle do that? Why does a turtle hide inside its shell? So when a predator or an animal wants to eat it, the shell can protect them. Just like us, we go inside our house for us to be protected by the rain and by the sun. Okay, we'll just keep this first. This is another turtle. It's called a red-eared slider turtle because if you see the side of its head, just beside its ear, it has a red strip. That's why it's called a red-eared slider turtle. This guy is about 4 years old also. When it gets around 15 years old, it can grow up to this big. This is a daddy red-eared slider turtle. This is a baby. This is about a 4-year-old turtle. This is about 15 years old. Who can tell me where do these guys live? In land and in water, very good. They need land and they also need water. This is a tortoise. This is a tortoise. A tortoise is a cousin of the turtle. Okay, do you see the shape of its shell? Where do tortoises live? No. On land alone, because if I put this guy on deep water, it will drown because it doesn't know how to swim. It's making really a poo-poo. Oh, sit down, sit down. Sit down, guys, sit down, sit down. fingers do you see? Close your eyes. How many fingers do you see? Okay. Ray, how many fingers do you see? Can't see anything. Okay. Okay, stand still. Hold your hands like that.
Since you guys are full of energy, let's clap our hands for Ray and Willow for being so brave. Oh, Ray, where did you go? Come here. Ray, carry it. Come on. I thought you're matapang. Guys, sit down, sit down, sit down. Ray, just carry it. Okay, this is a reticulated python. And a reticulated python is a non-poisonous snake, and we can find these guys here in our country. This is called the common sawa. And the common sawa doesn't have any poison. It's a non-poisonous snake, and it's also a threatened snake. Okay, let's give our hands for Willow and Ray again. My friend Mizu. Let's say hi to Mizu. Hi Mizu. Mizu is a brahmini kite. Okay, a brahmini kite is a common kite here in the Philippines. Okay, I will pass Mizu to Kuya Robert. Right. Then Sam will hold the glove. Okay. Then get it from Kuya Robert. Step. One more. Let's clap our hands for Sam. It's kind of heavy. So what happens if people keep on cutting trees? Saan na makikira si Mizu? Nowhere, and Mizu will die, or Mizu will become an endangered animal, and soon it can be extinct. Let's clap our hands again, everyone, for the animal. Okay, pass it to you.
Debbie.